Welcome to Smartphone Tips 2025, where we'll explore how to elevate your mobile experience and become a pro user. Unleash your creativity by mastering advanced camera settings for stunning photos and videos. Discover new optimization features to maximize your battery life and keep your device running longer. Utilize split-screen multitasking to enhance your productivity and seamlessly manage tasks. Protect your personal data by exploring the latest privacy settings offered by your smartphone. Learn how to customize your home screens and widgets for efficient navigation. Leverage voice commands and AI features for hands-free operation and a smarter experience. Take control of your focus by managing app notifications and reducing distractions. Understanding cloud storage options and backup strategies is essential for safeguarding your data. Embrace the latest technology trends and remember that continuous learning is key to becoming a pro user.